Okay, I've got the cover off. I've loosened the screws. This is loose. I mean, the picture is still at the bottom. I've got film running. So there's the base. This is turned all the way as far as it can go, clockwise. If I do it the other way, it raises it up. You can hear it change. Yeah. If I bring it down, it resets the loop, restores. But yeah, I'm going to move the camera up and down. There's the top. There's the frame right there. It's definitely, this has been on its way out. This has been kind of, I don't know. It's just, it's there. I mean, the frame will not go down. There's something internal. This thing. See, look, there's the head. It's all the way. But I'll turn it the other way and you can hear that sound again. This thing is unlimited amounts of turning. Oh, there we go. Seem to have gone further counterclockwise this time. And even though I'm turning it, it's not coming back down. Yeah, it's done. Yeah, it's not coming back down again.